isang lalaki mga idol na nag-cover song po ng Journey After All These Years. Grabe, talagang ma-amaze kayo dito kay Kuya mga idol, at Mala Arnel Pineda daw ang kanyang boses. So let's go mga idol, panoorin natin dito kay Ida Pines sa kanyang YouTube channel. Suporta po natin. Let's go mga idol, panoorin natin. Ayan na. Mala Arnel Pineda daw mga idol ang kanyang boses. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Faded away photograph, you and me and our first dance.
Wow!
Eyes are closed, we're lost in one sweet embrace. Since those days the world has changed, but our love remains the same. God knows we've had our share of saving grace, and I'm proud of all the blessings you have given me.
Grabe.
Mountains we have climbed to get this far, in order to take laughter the tears after all these years.
Ida Pines mga idol sa kanyang cover song na After All This Year by Journey. Grabe! Lupit! Mala Journey nga. Mala Arnel Pineda.
Make it feel brand new, but it finds a way for through. Against the odds we never lost our faith, and our house was made our own, for our children all have grown. Precious moments time cannot erase. Make a living after down the gypsy highways. Seasons that we've had to share apart. Somehow in my heart I always get you near. After all these years, after all these years, you still got me. The days and nights, but I was gone. After all these years, you sacrificed, believed in me, and you stood strong. 'Cause without love, there's nothing left to fear. After all these years,
Grabe! Mala Arnel Pineda nga mga idol ang boses ni Kuya. Grabe ang lupit nito. Wala ang tapon dito mga idol. Mala Journey nga ang boses ni Kuya. Mala Arnel Pineda. Grabe.
after all these years, you still got me. The days and nights, but I was gone. After all these years, you sacrificed, believed in me, and you stood strong. 'Cause without love, there's nothing left to fear. After all these years,
Ayan po mga idol, ang ating Gerald ang pangalan mga idol dito sa kanyang cover song ng Journey After All This Year. Grabe, napakalupit, wow. Mara Arnel Pineda nga ang boses mga idol. May nagsabi dito, Arnel Pineda ang boses ni Kuya. Grabe. Ito yung dapat pinapasikat mga idol ng ganito mga boses. Grabe! Napakalupit. Idops Pines mga idol, please palike and subscribe sa kanilang YouTube channel mga idol. Ilagay ko na lang po sa description ng kanilang link. Grabe! Napaka-amazing. Kung i-rate ko po ang performance ni Kuya mga idol, nasa 9. Amazing. Grabe! Tago sa puso. Grabe talaga. Ang lupet. So yan ang ating masasabi natin mga idol na yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy. Kayo dyan mga idol, ano masasabi niyo sa kanyang performance? Sa kanyang boses, sa kanyang rendition? Ma-amaze ba kayo? O na-amaze ba kayo sa ating viral video for today mga idol? Comment mo sa baba mga idol para ating pag-usapan. Yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy. Malupit talaga sa kantahan. God bless mga idol.